in the latest iteration of the ISO 9001 standard, 2015 edition. A groundbreaking inclusion is Clause 7.1.6, which places a spotlight on organizational knowledge as a pivotal resource. This clause underscores the necessity for organizations to systematically manage and make this knowledge accessible, ensuring it supports the efficiency of processes and the achievement of product and service conformity. Why is this important? Organizational knowledge, distilled from the collective experiences and insights gained through successes and failures, forms the bedrock upon which companies operate and innovate. It encompasses a wealth of information derived from various sources, including past projects, intellectual property, and learned lessons. IT give a challenge and opportunity for many organizations. Navigating the requirements of Clause 7.1.6 presents a novel challenge, comprehending the scope of their responsibilities towards managing organizational knowledge. It's critical for management teams to evaluate their existing knowledge reservoirs critically, considering whether they suffice to meet current and future needs. Where gaps are identified, there's an imperative to seek additional knowledge externally, through avenues such as specialized training and knowledge-sharing initiatives. Furthermore, organizations must remain vigilant to industry trends, ensuring their knowledge base evolves to align with dynamic market and regulatory requirements. This proactive stance guarantees that the organization remains competitive and compliant, capable of delivering products and services that meet the high standards expected by customers and regulatory bodies alike. To thrive under Clause 7.1.6, organizations should identify essential knowledge, determine the specific knowledge critical to success in their operational domain, assess current knowledge assets, analyze existing knowledge, including intellectual property and experiences, to ascertain sufficiency and identify gaps. Acquire missing knowledge, explore methods to obtain necessary knowledge not currently held, potentially through hiring skilled personnel, upskilling existing staff, or other innovative approaches. Ensure accessibility, implement systems to ensure that critical knowledge is readily available to those who need it, enhancing operational effectiveness. Monitor and update knowledge. Establish mechanisms to regularly review and update the organization's knowledge base in response to new industry trends and changes. In essence, Clause 7.1.6 of the ISO 9001:2015 standard introduces a strategic dimension to quality management by recognizing organizational knowledge as a core asset. It challenges organizations to deliberately manage this asset, ensuring it contributes to the seamless operation of processes and the delivery of quality products and services. Through embracing this clause, organizations can not only meet the standard's requirements but also pave the way for innovation and sustain success in an ever-evolving business landscape.